In the last class, I taught you how to calculate oxidation number of element in compound. This concept will help you to calculate the equivalent weight of oxidant and reductant. There are two methods to calculate the equivalent weight of oxidant and reductant. One is electronic method and another is oxidation number method. First, we will learn electronic method. An electronic method states that equivalent weight of an oxidant or reductant is the molar mass of oxidant or reductant divided by number of electron gained per molecule. For example, we have taken KMnO4, K plus MnO4 minus. We know it's KMnO4 potassium permanganate is a very good oxidizing agent, and it is known all of you, and use of this oxidizing agent in organic chemistry that I will discuss later. And reaction of KMnO4 depends on its pH. In acidic medium, MnO4 minus gets converted into Mn plus 2. We know how to calculate oxidation number of manganese MnO4 minus, it is plus 7. Now plus 7 gets converted into, decreases to plus 2. Obviously it takes 5 electron. Now to balance this equation, we can do this thing, as here number of oxygen is 4, so we can add 4H2. Here number of hydrogen is 8, so we can add here 8H plus. Obviously it is acidic condition, we must have H plus in the left hand side, so it is obvious that number of electron gained by MnO4 minus is 5 electron. So equivalent weight of KMnO4 is the molecular weight of KMnO4, that is 158.1 divided by 5, it becomes 31.6. So in acidic medium, equivalent weight of KMnO4 is 31.6. Now neutral medium. Neutral medium, MnO4 minus gets converted into MnO2. Oxidation number manganese MnO4 minus plus 7, and here it is plus 4. So oxidation number decreases by 3 unit. So we need to add 3 electron. Here number of oxygen is 4, here number of oxygen is 2. So we can add 4 HO minus. So here number of oxygen is 6. So we can add 2 H2. Now the equation is completely balanced now. MnO4 minus, 3 electron is taken up by MnO4 minus, so equivalent weight is molecular mass of KMnO4, that is 158.1 divided by 3, it becomes 52.7. Now we look for basic medium. In basic medium, MnO4 minus gets converted into MnO4 2 minus. So here plus 7, here it is plus 6. So 1 electron is taken up by MnO4 minus. So equivalent weight will be 158.1 divided by 1. So it becomes 158.1. Now we'll move to oxidation number method. number method. It states that equivalent weight is the molar mass of the oxidant or reductant divided by change in oxidation number. Change in oxidation number. In acidic medium, that is in dilute H2SO4, KMnO4 minus KMnO4 gets converted into MnSO4. Here oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 is +7, in MnSO4 so Mn2 plus SO2 minus, so it is +2. So change in oxidation number is 5. So equivalent weight will be molar mass, that is nearly 158 divided by 5, so it becomes 38.6. So we come to the same answer what we have got it from the electronic method in acidic medium. Now I'll give you a complicated example, that is sodium oxidation equivalent weight of sodium thiosulfate. How to calculate equivalent weight of sodium thiosulfate by oxidation number method. So sodium thiosulfate, it is Na2S2O3 5H2 crystal water. It's a molecular formula of sodium thiosulfate, and it is oxidized by an oxidant to sodium tetrathionate, that is Na2S2O3 gets converted into Na2S4O6. Clear? So if we want to balance, that is Na2S2O3 gets converted into Na2S4O6 plus 2 Na plus. So here number of sodium is 4, so we need to add, multiply it by 2. Now we have to calculate the oxidation number of S2O3 2 minus. For this we need to know the structure of S2O3 2 minus, that is S minus double bond O minus double bond O. So oxidation number will be for this S double bond O plus 2, for this S double bond O plus 2, for this single bond is single bond O plus 1, and there is no difference of electronegativity between these two sulfur, so it will not contribute to oxidation number calculation. So it becomes +5. So oxidation number of sulfur, the central sulfur is +5, and this will be -1. Here charge of sulfur is -1. So as a whole, the total oxidation number becomes +4, +5, -1, +4 for each so for each sulfur it will be +2. Now we need to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in Na2S4O6, or better to say we can calculate the oxidation number of S4O6 2 minus. Structure of S4O6 2 minus is single bond S, single bond S, single bond S, so double bond O, O minus, S double bond O, S double bond O, O minus. So for this S double bond O, there are S double bond O, there S double bond O minus, there is SS single bond. So this single bond, SS single bond will not contribute to the oxidation number of this sulfur. So here oxidation number of sulfur is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. And in the same way, oxidation number of this sulfur is plus 5 and these two sulfur is 0, 0. So oxidation number of 4 sulfur is 10. So for each sulfur it is 2.5. So now we can do like this. In Na2S2, here the number of sulfur is 4, here the number of sulfur is 4. Now so change in oxidation number of 4 sulfur, 4 into 2.5 minus 4 into plus 2, so it becomes 2. In Na2S2O3, number of sulfur is 2. So change in oxidation number for 2 sulfur will be 1 unit. So equivalent weight of Na2S2O3 5H2 will be molecular, what is the molecular mass of Na2S2O3 5H2? That is, we know atomic weight of sodium is 23, sulfur 32, oxygen 16, and molecular weight of H2 is 18. So if we add all those, if we multiply and by multiplying and adding, the molar mass of Na2S2O3 is 248. So 248 and divided by change in oxidation number, that is 1. So it becomes 248. So today this is the end of oxidation number equivalent weight calculation by oxidation number method and electronic method. Thank you. If you like my videos, so subscribe my channel. Thank you.